Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have yet another method that you guys can use to make some very easy and simple money. Now, this method involves, a computer, and it's something that you guys do every day. That's right, Googling. You guys, I can almost guarantee you guys Google something every single day because there's always something that we as humans need to know. Now, this job is literally just going to be kind of like a little research thing. And yeah, you heard me right. It is kind of like a little online job thing. It's really only like kind of like a part-time thing. And if you work at like a fast food place or you're working for minimum wage, then this is good for you because this could potentially replace that job, or you could pair it up with that job and pretty much like double your income, which is, I mean, that's something that you guys obviously probably want to do. So yeah, honestly, this is a really good method, and I can't wait to show it to you guys in just a second. Alright, so the first platform we are going to be looking at is called Univox. Now, what Univox is it is a survey platform. So what you're going to do is you are going to take surveys and you are going to earn rewards. So you have to devote time, take surveys, share feedback on products you use, and you get paid without even leaving your chair or your couch or your bed or whatever or wherever you do this. And you can do this anywhere in the world. Now the cool thing is when you sign up you get $2. So it's like a little sign up bonus. You get $2 to use, which is really cool. So literally all you have to do is sign up for this app, and you can go to the store and buy yourself a candy bar, or maybe even two if you're getting like one of those 80 cents candy bars, because tax is added in. But anyway, there are 3 simple steps, right? So they value both your time and your opinions. So with Univox, you can sign up. You get the instant bonus of 200 points, which is worth $2. You are going to take surveys, and they'll actually email you survey invites, and that means like, maybe you forget about the app, and then they email you, and you're like, oh yeah, I can make money off of that. And the surveys are quick and easy to answer. So it's not going to take you guys that long. It might take you like 5 minutes to do a survey. And then, of course, you get paid for it. You get paid for that time. And then you earn rewards. So you'll earn stuff like PayPal, Visa gift cards. You can also earn like, I'm guessing, you can get like an Amazon gift card. Cool stuff like that. Like stuff that you can actually use. So Univox rewards. As a part of the Univox community, each contribution you make will earn you reward points that you can claim as multiple reward options available. So you can use it for PayPal. So you can deposit directly in your PayPal. I know a lot of you guys probably have PayPal. Virtual MasterCard. So that's cool. You can charge it to your card and then use it online. You can also get an Amazon gift card. And then you can also get a Tango card. So all of these are pretty good options. They're good payout options, in my opinion. And yeah, there's something that people use often, and that's good. And if we go over to the Google Play Store real quick, you guys can see that they have a 3.4. So people do like this app. You guys can actually see the interface of the app real quick. So yeah, these are the pictures. And yeah, moving on to the next app, we are going to be looking at Crowdology. So on here, you're going to share your opinions, and you'll earn a little bit extra money. So you get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete. $10, guys. So after like 10 surveys, you'll have $100. Pretty good, right? That's honestly like super cool. So you get to make a little extra on the side and treat yourself or those that are close to you. So I mean, like, you don't have to just buy a gift card for yourself. Maybe if you want to give your friend like a little Amazon gift card, you can use this app and just you'll already have it. So yeah, Crowdology surveys are quick and easy to fit into your day. Our online surveys typically take between 2 and 15 minutes to complete. So you can easily fit this into your day. So yeah, you can either use this to fill up time, or maybe you're on the bus going to work or school. You can whip out your phone. You can use this app, and yeah, this is just really a very quick and easy way to make some money, guys. So you get to earn money from day one. The amount you get paid depends on the length and the type of survey you take part in. So some surveys will be like 40 cents, which isn't very much, but that can add up over time. And then it can go up to $10. But guys, you have to remember, like 40 cents, that can, I mean, after like, what, 3 surveys, you already have $1. And if the surveys take 2 minutes, then that means in 6 minutes you're gonna earn $1. That's pretty cool, in my opinion. Actually, you can earn a little bit of side money. So 6 minutes a day, and you earn $1.20. But yeah, you can withdraw the money through PayPal as soon as your balance reaches $8. You can also get an Amazon gift card once you have $8. And you can also get like Google codes. I'm guessing that's what that is, a Google code for $10. So, yeah, leading brands are ready to hear your opinions. So, yeah, big brands use this, if you guys didn't know. And the surveys cover a wide range of topics and brands. And you win prizes as an added bonus. So you can win stuff like an Apple Watch or an iPad. Yeah, pretty cool. So, yeah, Crowdology, cool app. Now, the last app that I am going to show you guys today is called Feature Points. So, you get rewarded. You earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. So, yeah, this is a pretty versatile app. Pretty similar to the last two I just showed you. Do you have a couple of spare minutes while waiting in line? You can make your time more rewarding with Feature Points. And as you guys can see, they've paid millions of dollars in rewards to other users. So, yeah, you can also, there's also like a little, I guess, gambling game. Not gambling, but you know, you guys know what I mean. It's like a lottery ticket type deal where you can earn 50,000 points instantly if you win. Pretty cool. So you're going to be answering really simple surveys. So like, it's stuff like, do you own a dog? What car do you drive? Do you own any game consoles? Like, okay, off the top of my head, guys, do you own a dog? Yes. What car do you drive? A Lincoln Continental. Do you own any game consoles? Yes. Easy as that. Simple. You earn cash back. So when you shop at your favorite stores, you can earn hundreds of dollars back with their cash back, and the stores pay them a commission for Feature Points sending them to you. So they're gonna give you a little bit of that money back. So you can earn cash back with places like a Best Buy, Sephora, Target, Forever 21, Walmart, Gap, GameStop. And you can also earn money by downloading apps. And you can also share like an invite code to your friends. And every time that they get paid for something, you also get paid 50%. So yeah, you can also redeem your points for awesome rewards. So stuff like Amazon, PayPal, the Google and iOS Play Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin. So much stuff, guys. So yeah, this is also a very good platform. And yeah, all the platforms that I just showed you guys, they're all very good, and I recommend using them to earn a little bit of extra money on the side. Now, even though you can make money with the method that I just showed you, you're still trading time for money. And to be honest, the way that I showed you how to make some extra money on the side is really something that isn't meant to be full time, and you're not really going to generate a whole lot of money on there. You're really just going to generate enough money to maybe pay a couple extra bills, maybe buy a little something extra. But if you guys are tired of working your 9 to 5 and you want to make money pretty much all the time, even when you're asleep, then I recommend checking out the link down in the description below.